High blood pressure or hypertension affects millions of people around the world. But in modern times, people are not bothered about hypertension anymore. Are you one of the millions who is suffering from hypertension? Are you one of the millions who is taking a pill to control hypertension? And are you one of the millions who is not aware of what the lifelong pill is doing to you? Then you need to watch this 2-minute video and it will change your life. Hi, I am Dr. Mayank Shah from Freedom Clinics, where we heal all chronic conditions naturally because we believe that natural medicine is one of the most potent technologies for healing any kind of illness. Our clinic practices NOM, that is Nature's Original Medicine, where we use the healing intelligence as suggested by nature itself. Hypertension is not a simple phenomena, nor is it as simple as a stress phenomena. Hypertension needs to be understood well. There are two main processes that happen in your body that lead to hypertensive conditions. First one is vasoconstriction, that is, your blood vessels constrict. They become narrower due to various reasons. And when the blood vessels become narrow, the blood pressure is bound to rise. And the second condition is when the blood vessels become hard. When they become hard, they lose their flexibility, and that also results in hypertension. If you scrutinize your life, you will realize how these two things are happening. The first phenomena, when the blood vessels are constricting, usually happens due to a toxic stress response or a toxic emotional state. Most people are unaware of their emotional states, of the suppressions, of the various kinds of conflicts that are happening within them. They tend to struggle in life to meet their daily needs and are oblivious of what is happening within them. The second phenomena where the blood vessels become hard are due to your bad lifestyle, your bad food. It is said that calcium deposits in your blood vessels and makes it hard. So your dairy, your calcium-rich foods, your so-called ice creams, etc., are contributing towards hardening of your blood vessels. What can you do about it? Obviously, if you want to maintain natural health without depending on the pill, then you have to change your life. You have to change your lifestyle. You have to see how well you can balance your emotions. You have to select a lifestyle that is more suitable for you rather than running after the so-called materialistic benefits. And you have to be equally conscious about what you put inside you. We have forgotten the rules of breathing, of sleeping and eating, and we are damaging this precious machine that we have. I will suggest one very common home remedy that is going to be very useful in this condition. And that home remedy is your common okra, or it is known as bhindi in India. The rule is you have to eat okra raw. Yes, you heard it right. If you eat 2 okras before lunch, you will prevent the hardening of your blood vessels. You will prevent the constriction of your blood vessels, and hence you will prevent the development of hypertension. Simple, isn't it? But instead of trying such a simple remedy and many other remedies that we provide at our clinic, people take a shortcut. They want to take a pill and lower their BP without realizing the long-term consequences of the pill. Please remember, any long-term medication has its side effects. Some are common side effects like anorexia, appetite-linked symptoms, like blood chemistry variations, etc. These are very common. But there are some uncommon side effects which people are not aware of. Your hypertension pill can take you through 3 problems. First, insomnia. You will not sleep well, and then your doctor will prescribe you a sleeping pill. Second, it will cause joint pains, and then your doctor can prescribe a painkiller. And third is impotency. And here, your doctor cannot prescribe you anything very easily. These three side effects can mess up your life. They can mess up your psyche. They can mess up your relationships, and they can really mess up the quality that you are used to enjoying when you are naturally healthy. Please remember, it is not wrong to take a pill, but it is wrong to not take care of the long-term consequences. And it is also wrong not to understand the natural remedies that can heal your condition. Hypertension can be solved in most people because hypertension of the primary variety is due to faulty lifestyle. You should be intelligent enough to understand the mistakes that you're making in your day-to-day living, in your day-to-day eating, in your day-to-day sleeping, etc. The first treatment should be a natural one, and that is what Freedom Clinics is all about. At Freedom Clinics, we have more than 12 different healing therapies that help you restore natural health. If you find this video useful, please share, please subscribe, please like our channel so that others can also benefit from this information. You can check out all the other videos that have already been posted. Thank you.